Hello friends, as you may have guessed, this is not going to be a video about investing. It is going to be about some big changes in my life and in this channel's life. So if you want stock analysis or videos about portfolios or about investing in general, then I totally understand. Just don't watch this one. There are a number of other more interesting videos over here. But if you want to know what is the project Bold Investor 2.0, then let's dive into it. As some of you may know, I made almost all my videos in this room, this office, and I experimented with different camera angles, different furniture, different wall colors, and of course different film gear. And I finally got to a point in which this room is too small for my needs. It is only like, I don't know, 9, maybe 8 square meters. And every time I want to record a video, I have to take out all the gear, set it up, move some furniture around, and after I'm done, get it all back into its place. And that takes a lot of time and honestly produces a lot of frustration as well, because I could use this time just filming, editing or researching for next videos. And I thought that I will manage, that it is just a cost I have to pay to make everything work. But then a very unexpected thing happened. My youngest daughter suddenly, I would even say instantly, became an old woman of an age of 5, and she wants to have her own room, just for herself. So I'm moving. I just signed a lease for a truly magical place. It is just, simply put, beautiful. Let me show you. That's it. Isn't it great? No, it's not actually, it's pretty awful, but it's going to be great. This place is like twice as big, so I will not have to hide all my gear every time I finish shooting. And thanks to that, I will be able to make more videos and, what's even more important, better quality videos. And I don't know yet what will go where and how it will all look like, but I have a rough plan. So let's get to work. And because it is going to be a lot of work, then I think it deserves at least a 15-second renovation montage. Welcome to Bold Investor 2.0. It is still a work in progress, but I am very excited about this place and all the possibilities it creates. So thank you for all your support and all your encouragement. It really means a lot to me. And see you in the next one. Bye.